Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. This light fixture by TALOYA instantly made my bathroom look like a mini renovation. From the moment I opened the box, I knew this was the right light. It arrived perfectly packaged, and the clear cone glass shades are absolutely stunning. They're thick, sturdy, and beautifully made. Once it was installed, the whole space lit up in a way I didn't even realize I was missing. The modern cone design spreads light wide across the mirror, giving my bathroom a clean, bright, updated look that fits effortlessly with different decor styles. The metal feels solid and high quality, and even though I didn't use dimmable bulbs, it's great knowing that this fixture is compatible if I ever want adjustable lighting. With regular bulbs, the brightness is perfect for everyday routines. I also love the option to mount it up or down. I chose downward for a more focused glow, and it looks fantastic. Installation was quick and easy, and everything my husband needed was included. So, if you want a simple, affordable upgrade that delivers big results, this vanity light is a total win. I'm genuinely thrilled with how it transformed my space. And that's my point of view.